Welcome back to the channel, Wealthy Tribe. Today I have for you guys an at-home full body workout. Yes, so I'm very excited for this video. I know there's some people who, they don't have the money to afford to go to a gym, or they just don't have the time. So I wanted to film this video so that you have an option at working out at home. This is gonna be a little bit of an intense workout because I wanted to make sure you guys got your sweat on. I wanted to make sure that it was worth it and that you felt it the next day. If you just stumbled on this video, let me take a second to introduce myself. My name's Yoana. You can call me Yo. I make videos on fitness, nutrition, supplements, and every now and then I like to throw in a vlog because you gotta spice up life. Before we get into this workout, guys, question of the day: what kind of exercise videos do you want me to post? Comment below, tell me what you want to see, and I will make it happen. Trust me. So, the only thing you guys are going to need for this workout is a yoga mat. Of course, you're going to need your bottle of water so that you have something to drink. I have the workout written down here. There's a third thing I would suggest. I have it on my phone. If you don't have a smartphone, if you don't want to download it, you don't have to, but I would suggest that you download this app called TABATA. And what TABATA does is, if you're doing circuit style workouts, it allows you to plan the workout time, the rest time, how many intervals. It lets you to just plan it out. So before we start our workout, we're actually going to plan this out. I'm going to put everything right here on the screen of what I did so that you guys can download this app and then do the workout. So I just want to tell you guys which exercises we're going to be doing before we get started. Squats, push-ups, lunges, glute bridge, a split squat, arm circles, diamond push-ups, inchworm, and we're going to finish it up with planks. Alright, so I hope you guys are ready. So the first exercise we're going to do is a squat. Just before we do it, I just want to talk about form because I think this is so important, because I want to make sure you guys are actually working out your muscles and you're not doing it incorrectly. So the first thing with the squat, this is one of my biggest pet peeves ever. I go to the gym and I see ladies always doing this. This is not a squat. If you're not going full range of motion, this is not a squat. The only thing you are engaging in that is your quads. And most ladies don't want big quads, they want their hamstrings and their glutes engaged. If you want to do a squat, you got to keep that core super tight, keep your body upright, your shoulders back, and you're going to literally put your hips back and go as far down as you possibly can with good form. And come back up and you're going to squeeze your butt. And the reason why is because that's what's going to engage your glutes and give you that full workout in the back. A little tip, because I know a lot of people slouch like this when they do a squat. If you want to practice good form, put those shoulders back, put your arms back like this, and then do your squat. And that's going to give you the correct form to do it. So for split squats, you want to have a comfortable surface. I tried with a chair, that didn't really work out, and then I improvised and said, hey, my couch is comfortable, I'll do that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of your feet, whichever one you want first, you're gonna rest it on the couch, and you're just gonna do a simple squat. This is really great for working out muscle imbalances, the glutes, and the hamstrings. For the diamond push-ups, guys, you're just going to make a diamond with your hand and you're going to do a push-up. So this is really great for working out your chest and those triceps. So next we're going to do an inchworm which is basically you're rolling out into a plank and you're rolling back in. This is great for your whole core, your arms, your shoulders. So guys, make sure you keep that core engaged and tight so that you protect your back. And make sure to not put your butt or your hips too out. I'll show you when I get down there. So this is a common mistake, this. You don't want this, you want this. You want to be like fully like a table. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Lastly, we're going to end with the very famous plank. You can do this on your hands, you can do this on your shoulders, whatever it may be. It's really important that you keep everything tight. From your core, to your butt, to your quads, to your calves. The tighter you keep everything, the more engaged everything is, the better of a workout this is going to be. For years, I thought I was doing planks right, until I started training with my last personal trainer when I was doing Muay Thai, and he really made sure that I was working my plank properly. So guys, engage your glutes, your quads, literally every part of your body, your shoulders, anything you can engage it, and it will make a huge difference in this exercise. So I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Like, I'm sweating and I'm still going to the gym. I'm doing not the same workout, but a very similar workout at the gym, but I'm going to be doing with weights. Like I said, not everyone can afford a gym membership, and some people, they don't have the luxury to be able to go to the gym because they have kids and commitments at home, and I totally understand that. Like my cousin, she has a daughter and she lost weight by just doing workouts at home. She lost, I think, like over 40 or 50 pounds by just doing workouts at home. So please understand that it is an option for you, and it's extremely important that we move our bodies. Okay, our bodies were made to move. They were made for movement. They were not made to be sitting on the couch watching TV. They were not made to be behind a desk 8 hours a day typing. That kills your body. Like, it's so bad for you. So it's really important that you try to incorporate some exercise, whether it be 2 or 3 times a week, 5 days a week, whatever you want to do. Try to incorporate some exercise into your life. And now that I've given you a home workout, you have no reason to not do this workout. So if you guys watched this whole video, you obviously liked it. I'm doing something right. So please remember to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell so you know when my videos come out. From the bottom of my heart, with lots of love, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!